Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today on Cheap and Healthy. Today I was thinking I could kind of get into the holiday spirit a little bit, and as surprising as it is, I have not had any kind of pumpkin pie for this entire winter. So I thought I would treat myself to a pumpkin pie smoothie or smoothie bowl base. I actually made it for the first time last night just as kind of an experiment, and it was amazing. It was just like eating pumpkin pie for the most part, except for it did not have the crust, but you could easily simulate that with like some walnuts or something. So let's go ahead and, well, before we even get started with that, the awesome thing about this smoothie or smoothie bowl base is you do not even have to blend it. You can just mix it together in a cup and it is ready to go. If you want it chilled, you can throw it in the freezer for a short time, but whatever you want to do. So what you're going to need is some canned pumpkin. That's definitely one of the reasons why you're not going to need the blender for this recipe. And to give it some really authentic pumpkin pie kind of taste, some pumpkin pie spice. To add a bit of creaminess. Now this one is definitely a little bit of an indulgence. If you want to really watch your calories and watch your fat, then maybe skip this. This is just coconut milk. Okay. So it's coconut milk, and with this stuff, the bottom kind of is more liquidy, and then the top kind of like is more solid. And so, well, actually, I don't know if you can see that. Whoop! Okay, that was a bad idea. But yeah, the top is a bit more thick, and so I'm just going to be using a little bit of the top to create this smoothie. And let's see. Did I show you? No, I don't think I showed you this. So a little bit of honey. Yeah, I'm definitely at the end of my honey. And a bit of kefir as well to really, really give it that like kind of rich, tasty taste. But you can also use yogurt because kefir does have a really strong taste to it. And you can also use, milk, or, if you didn't want to use any of that, you could just use like water if you wanted like a very skinny version of this smoothie. So I'm definitely going to be using these though. Okay, so as you can see here, I've actually already started to prepare it, and I think I'm gonna make enough so that I can have more than one serving. And a little bit of this. Oops. Wow, I am not very, I cook all the time and I'm still not very adept in the kitchen, I have to say. Alright. A little bit of honey. Maybe that's where this part. If you want to make this as more of a dessert, kind of indulge this thing a light dessert, you just put sugar into it. Okay. And I'm gonna need another spoon for that. And, ooh, this is kind of liquidy. So I have no idea how much that is, but that's alright. Okay, and I definitely wanted to use this because it kind of gives it a little bit more, more liquidy consistency. So, because otherwise it's not going to mix as well. Alright. So now I'm just going to, yeah, it might be fast forwarding this part as well. But you get the idea, this is going to, alright, so this is looking nice and mixed. So let's go ahead and try it. That's really good, and it tastes like a lot more healthy than pumpkin pie. If you like this video and you would like to see, I don't know, maybe more holiday type smoothies, or some other kind of smoothie or food or something like that. I actually haven't done any regular food videos so far in this series, but if you would like to see that, please leave a comment below, like, subscribe if you did like this and you want to see more, and be notified as well. Click the notifications bell if you want to be notified immediately whenever I do put out a new video, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!